Welcome to Texas Law Encounters, your home for raw police footage. Consider subscribing to the channel if you want to see more police interactions and become a member to support our work directly. Remember, all suspects are innocent until proven guilty. And as always, enjoy the video.
Because last week you were caught here shoplifting. You ain't supposed to be here. Is that right or wrong?
That's wrong.
That's wrong? Do you have your ID on you?
No, I don't have my ID on me.
Okay, take your hands out of your pockets. What's your name?
So my name? My name is Fredo.
What's your real name?
Fredo.
Fredo what?
Fredo.
Fredo what?
Gordon.
Gordon?
Yeah.
You know, say if you lie to me, it's a crime. I'm gonna put you in jail.
Put me in jail about
Yeah, verify your ID, please.
You guys over here trying to stop me
Because
and
right
I'm
now-
gonna leave me your property.
Right now, they're saying that they believe that you're someone that was handled here for criminal trespass. Is that the case? Yes or no? Okay, can you please present your identification so we can clear this up?
I don't have my identification.
You're interested. Okay, I have a machine that can take your print and we can verify who you are right now. Okay?
Right now you're detained.
You're being detained.
How you guys
We're
detain me?
asking you for your information.
How can y'all
Telling
detain me
us.
if
Because you
it's
fit
not
the
no probable
description of
cause?
someone-
Y'all don't have probable cause
Yes, we
to detain
do.
me.
Yes, we do.
The probable cause is you fit the description of someone. They're saying they wrote a criminal trespass.
That's like if somebody was to, it's like if
Okay.
y'all was to see
Look,
somebody,
you can
y'all
go.
think
You can come over here the easy way or the hard way.
We're asking you nicely, and we're being polite at this point.
Either way, y'all gonna try to take me to jail.
No.
If you're not the person, we're going to cut you loose. But, you know, we're asking if you are, and you're still not really being forthcoming with who you are. We could really clear this up a lot quicker if you would just level with us. Have you been arrested?
Hey Blake, turn your radio down. 127, dispatch. Can you pull the TTs for last week and see if this guy matches the descriptions? Black male, short braids with blonde tips. Claim his last name is Fredo Gordon.
How old are you? So you know, there's a law, you're supposed to have ID on you at all times, okay? So maybe you're unaware of that, but I'm making you aware of it now, okay? And then this is one of the times that you want to have your ID to verify who you are and all that.
Do you have anything with your name on it? Credit card, debit card?
Watch it, I'm going to turn my car on.
Thanks, sir. Last name is going to be spelled George, Ocean, Robert, Edward. Clear. When was it issued? That's clear. Hey, it's confirmed.
It is him?
Yeah.
It is a criminal trespass?
Yep.
So he finally fessed up?
And no, dispatch confirmed it with the credit card name.
So it is him.
Yep.
Okay, where is he?
Huh?
Where is he?
Right here. All right, Fred, take your backpack off. Put your hand on your back.
So that would be the why. I don't know. Push.
Hang on, I just got searched. You got gloves?
Hold on. Yeah, I do.
Hold it. Yeah, sit right there.
You'll be all right.
127, show one in custody. Got any needles, knives, hand grenades?
No,
And it's,
not that I know of. I don't think so.
okay.
At least now I know why you didn't want to tell who you were. That makes sense.
I was already trying to leave.
Yeah, but the fact is you're here.
I don't have nowhere else to go.
There's a lot of places you can go other than here.
Are you homeless?
Yeah.
How long you been homeless?
They about 4 months now, 5
4
months.
months. Where you been staying most of the time?
Making apartments sometimes. Outside.
Where'd you stay before you were homeless?
I stay with my dad.
Did he put you out on the street? Or you chose to go out?
He told me to leave.
He told you to leave? How old are you, young man?
19.
19. Just letting you know. Help from him. He's a shelter on the other side of the county. They can take care of you. You stay there during the day and the evening, and they also help you get on a work program. Get you a job.
Because my sister got a job up here. I was up here waiting on her to leave.
Well, just so you know, because you've been criminally trespassing, you can't be here. No matter
Not even the
what.
parking lot.
Not even the parking lot. Okay.
Not the parking lot?
Nope. That paper that you got when they criminally trespassed you, they gave a map telling you that you can't be here.
That's clear.
And the whole bad part is you can't say, well, I didn't know, because that's not an excuse to prosecution. So
Because you were given a piece of paper that shows you the boundaries.
it's your responsibility to hang on to that. No. But it is what it is now, okay? Like I said, they spotted you. They knew that you were in criminal trespass. That's why they wanted us to stop you. Okay? So if you don't have anything in your bag, nothing to worry about, we're going to take you back here, get the process, get you ready to go. When you get done, head out to a good place. Okay?
Hey, who's this?
Oh, that's my girl's wallet.
That's your girl's wallet.
My told her she worked here. That's not a bag. That's her wallet.
Just everyone, let her keep the thing. Okay? She's supposed to. Okay. Does she have a place that she lives?
She lives wherever I go.
She lives in Solomos too? So y'all both just kind of go wherever? She don't have a place that she's staying at either? Okay, well that place I'm telling you about downtown, you can take both y'all down there, okay? It's just on the other side.
Where's your girl at?
Yeah, work.
Where she work? Oh, she just started.
Where?
The Toll House place, the brand new place, just opened today.
Well, I'll have to confirm that, see if she works there.
Well, I'm trying to get her in trouble.
No. Well, we're gonna make sure she gets her wallet and her ID back, if that's in fact her.
But if you're lying, now you're going to look at a felony.
Hey Doug, hang on.
Talk about that.
And this is her though, right?
Get up her.
How long ago did we see T?
A week ago yesterday.
I'm gonna go anywhere. You don't have to hold me, G.
No?
I'm not going anywhere.
I am going to hold you.
I've been standing right here the whole time. I haven't tried to run none of
I
it.
know. He gave me instructions to hold on to you, so I'm going to hang on to you. What was the CT for originally?
Shoplifting. Definitely think you're telling me the truth because there's a whole bunch of makeup and stuff in here, so.
Yeah, I told you.
I believe you. You going to prosecute or extend the CT?
We'll prosecute.
Okay.
But if somebody else was trying to get that,
Why would I do that?
No, they're probably going to extend your CT as well, so.
If it's only a week old, there's not really much of a sense in extending it.
True.
We'll just leave the other one active.
Okay, fair enough. That'll work. All right, let's go ahead and put him in a holding cell. Hey, Stop it, man.
Want to get search the property too?
19-year-old Fred George was arrested on one felony count of trespassing. As part of a plea deal, Fred the moron spent 24 days in Harris County Jail.
Huh? No, you just kick stuff, man.
Go ahead.
I'm gonna take the cuffs off.
That's clear. All right. Can I get a copy of the photo and CT?
Yeah.
Gracias.
Thanks for watching Texas Law Encounters. Your support makes this possible. If you want to see more police interactions, subscribe to the channel or become a member to get early access to new videos. See y'all in the next one.